Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook corned beef with vegetables. It's a very simple dish. Easy, quick, easy to make, and then delicious and affordable. Okay, kung mayroon kayong tanim sa backyard, okay, corned beef na lang ang kailangan nyo. Okay, so these are all the ingredients we need. Salt, black pepper, oyster sauce, repolyo, patula, and then the corned beef, garlic, onions, and spring. Okay, saute the garlic. And then the onions. Oh guys, it smells good na. Smells good. The garlic and the onions, it smells very good. The corned beef. Black pepper, salt, patula, just a little water, guys. Okay. Polio. The oyster sauce. Okay guys, cover for 2 minutes and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's done. Okay. Look at that one guys, our corned beef with vegetables. It's super yummy. Okay, I'm gonna taste it. This one, there's a patula and repolyo. I love it. Okay, garnish with burnt onion. So that's our corned beef with vegetables. Guys, I only taste if the food it's okay or yummy. And I cannot eat like I'm gonna have a rice or noodles because I have a fatty liver. And then the medicine of fatty liver, diet and exercise. So that's why I don't want to eat rice or more. I just eat a little later when it's time to eat. Okay, so that's the reason that I'm not going to eat with the rice. I just want to taste the food that I cook, but I can eat later, but not so much also, because diet and exercise is the medicine for the fatty liver. Okay, so look at guys, our corned beef with vegetables. It's very yummy. And thank you for watching guys, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.